When Bitcoin first launched in 2009, it was the only cryptocurrency in the game. Slowly, however, users started to realize a few problems with Bitcoin, such as high transaction fees and prolonged processing time. Enter altcoins. In this video, we are going to discuss what an altcoin is. We will also talk about ICOs, and finally we are going to learn about some of the most popular altcoins and discuss some of its negative aspects as well. An altcoin by definition is any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin, hence the name alternative coin. Some examples of altcoin are Ripple, Cardano, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Altcoins are created in an attempt to make a better version of Bitcoin. Altcoins begin their life with an ICO, or initial coin offering. When a company wants to create an altcoin, they create what is called a white paper. This paper explains their project, how their program operates, as well as their future ambitions and the amount of money they will need to complete them. The public then invests their money in the company in exchange for a token, if they think it's a good concept. The money that people put into the company is used to further the company's project. When the project is finished, the tokens are converted into currency and then sold on the open market, defining the coin's value. The price may go up or down. Ethereum is the most prominent example of this. People could buy Ethereum blockchain tokens for $0.31 when the ICO first launched. Now it costs more than $2,700. Altcoins strive to make their program faster, smarter, or completely anonymous. As a result, each altcoin has the distinguishing traits that differentiate it from Bitcoin. Over 10,000 altcoins have been generated since Bitcoin's creation, each claiming to be superior in some way. For instance, Ethereum features a very intelligent blockchain that allows for smart contracts. You may transact real estate and even mobile plans on their blockchain. Just take a moment to think about why there are so many altcoins in existence. Well, it's simply because people are trying to get rich quick. Developers create an altcoin, then there is enough awareness for it. They employ marketing tactics to create excitement and hype around the same to get people talking about it and investing in their ventures, artificially inflating the price. Then, as the market reaches its height, these creators would sell their coins, reaping the rewards, and leaving everyone wondering what happened to their money. This is more technically known as a pump and dump scheme. Recently, the Squid cryptocurrency wreaked havoc after it crashed. Users lost millions of dollars worldwide. Altcoins which aren't scams find it difficult to rise up in the market. Think about it. There are over 10,000 altcoins in the market. And how many do we know about? Getting the news of their existence and getting people to use their currency is the biggest hurdle they have to cross. But it's always better to do your own research so that you can form your own opinions on these cryptocurrencies rather than trusting some advert or your uncle. Cryptocurrency is still in its infancy, so it's extremely normal for the market to be volatile. A cryptocurrency nobody knows about today may sell for hundreds tomorrow. Experts point out that in the future, only a few currencies will remain. But until this happens, do not forget to do your research and get as much information as you need regarding a coin. Want to know more about altcoins? Comment down below or connect with us on Twitter at Flint.money. If this new and smart money excites you, come explore ways to generate wealth through crypto. Explore Flint to earn up to 13% interest per annum. And if you're liking what you are watching, subscribe to our YouTube channel.